2021 with a workout. And I can't even hold my camera because my arms are shaking. Hey guys, Happy New Year, Happy 2021. I've got my New Year smoothie here. It's actually January 1st right now, and I thought, you know, what better day to sort of do a little bit of a reset. I thought I would take you guys around with me and just sort of show you how I'm getting ready for the year. And I mean, I would say January 1st is probably the ultimate reset day. And I hope you guys spent it in a way that is meaningful to you. So I'm just gonna take this day for like my mind, my body, and just to set myself up for the new year. And I mean, thank God it's here, right? And I want to thank BetterHelp today for sponsoring this video. I think this year I really want to focus on like organizing my thoughts and really just sort of keeping my head down and staying in my lane, and just start achieving my goals without distractions. I think I get distracted very easily. I get really hung up on what other people are doing, and then I just sort of start to doubt myself, and then nothing ends up getting done. And I've struggled with that for many years, and I've done therapy on and off about it, but I think one of the things I want to do this year is to get more consistent in my own self-care. So you guys have seen in my vlogs before, I've gone to therapy in the past, and I think BetterHelp is just another really amazing resource that is a network of counselors, psychotherapists, things like that, when you just need someone to talk. And I think everybody has something to talk about, no matter how together you may feel. There's always something you can talk to someone about and sort of get like an objective point of view and perspective on whatever it is you're going through. They have thousands of therapists, and you can actually talk to them through live chat, video chat, phone calls. It's super private and really accessible, which I think is amazing. If you have any financial difficulties, they have programs to help with that too. I will mention that it's not a crisis line. It's not like a self-help line. It's a professional counselor. I was connected with a counselor in less than 48 hours. And so far it's been a really positive experience. So I'm going to be working with the counselor I was matched with probably on a weekly basis. And she's already sent me a few really helpful worksheets to sort of help me with whatever I'm feeling overwhelmed about. I used to have such an ego about it. And the more I did it, the more I realized like we all have something and we all kind of need somebody to talk to about it. It's just really good to get out of your own head. So if you are interested in BetterHelp, I will leave everything linked down below in the description. And you know, because we all have it. So I'd say it's a good idea to try to talk to someone about it. Here's what I'm learning about reset days is these days for me in particular they're great for me to think about what it is that I want for myself. You know, if I'm spending time writing things down and journaling or getting inspiration from other videos or other people, things like that. But what I really want my reset days to be are days when I actually put what it is I want for myself into action. Because I think every single day we can do something nice for ourselves to keep working towards those goals. I did my workout, I ate healthy. That to me is something therapeutic. It's calming, it's slow, but it's also something that I'm doing to reach towards my goals. So I think if you have a reset day in mind or want to take a self-care day, I think if you put it in that context, sometimes it can really help, because I think a lot of times, like I used to view reset days as being very do nothing, go slow days. And those are absolutely needed and so helpful and so beneficial. I think they're absolutely critical when it comes to avoiding burnout and making sure we slow down. But I think we can also put reset days in the perspective of doing something for ourselves that's still helping us get to wherever it is we want to be or any place we want to go. So I want today to be a good mix. I want it to be slow and chill and relaxing and sort of self-care in the ways that we all think about it, like candles and face masks, but I also want it to be self-care in a way that I'm putting myself in the mindset of what I want to do for myself. And I can write that down in my phone or in my journal or even vlog about it here, but it's until I start actually doing it, that's when you start to feel that momentum and that change and that habit and that progress start to sink in. So that's just sort of how I'm viewing my reset days. It's days just to help me get to where I need to be, whether that be slow or fast, doing nothing or doing everything. That's where I'm going. Onions. So this year I really want to reduce our grocery budget because we eat a lot of meat and that's probably one of the most expensive things that you can add to your budget. So starting off with just this really easy veggie bean salad. I actually have been making these a lot lately and they're really filling, high in protein, and just like really nice and light and really affordable to make. So maybe I'm taking this whole like beans and rice thing quite literally in 2021, but doesn't mean it has to taste bad. Took a train back for the beach. Gonna watch Less Is Now. That's gonna be it for our evening. The worries are so out of reach. Okay, so I think I'll end the vlog there. Jeff and I are gonna go watch Less Is Now. What a great way to kick off the new year with a mindset of minimalism. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think this is kind of like, I don't know, this is how I sort of view what a reset day can be. Yeah, maybe I felt a little bit of pressure for the new year in the sense that, oh, you should get started in your workout plan, you should get started in your action plan, this and that. But also I think it was just a nice opportunity for me to think about what I wanted to do, think about why I want to do them, think about how doing these things makes me feel, and just sort of appreciate the positive things that I decided to do for myself today. It doesn't matter that it's January 1st, so don't feel that pressure to reset your life or get your life together if you're watching this sometime in the new year, or if you're just feeling that pressure at all. I think whenever you feel like you need a reset, just do whatever it is that makes you feel good. Thank you again to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. If you guys were interested in their counseling services, I will leave everything linked down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.